Namaste everyone. Today we are here at the Anivasi Bharati Cultural Utsav, and today here with me from Consul General of India, our Consul General is Soumya Gupta ji. Thank you so much, Soumya Gupta ji, for your presence over here.
I'm very happy to be here.
So, how you are looking at the Indian diaspora celebrating their celebrations here in Hamburg?
So I have to say something that every weekend from September until December is busy for the consulate because Indian diaspora is celebrating. Having said that, I have to say we are very happy because Indians' hearts are still beating for India. You see everybody and especially young children perform and you know they are so well connected to the culture. And I have to specially thank Anivasi Bharatiya for bringing everybody together. And I hope we can do more and more and showcase to the world our traditions and our culture.
And also, how you are thinking that Indian diaspora is connecting well with the German way of living here?
We have met in my official capacity. I meet a lot of people, and the first thing that I hear is the Indian diaspora is the most responsible diaspora. We do not create problems. We are very peaceful, and I think the diaspora for India is really an asset. Always, and I hope it remains like that. And like I always say, the consulate is your home away from home, and if there's anything we can do, which we are trying very hard to reach out and connect, one of this is this event that we also meet, and you can see that we have a diaspora info desk here. The consulate is very much present with the consular camp. I have been here for the last 2 hours to talk to people, and we want everybody to come together and make India proud.
And a few words on the Vikasit Bharat run that's happening next week.
I would really like to invite our diaspora, especially our youth, to celebrate and run for Bharat. And we have the vision. Our Honorable Prime Minister has the vision of a Viksit Bharat by 2047, of being developed, of being the golden country that we were 100 years since independence. And this is a vision that every Indian has, and we have to showcase it through the Viksit Bharat Run. So please come and join us for the Viksit Bharat Run. Hamburg is doing it in 3 places, in Hanover, Hamburg, and Travemünde. So you're most welcome to join any of them. Thank you.
So we will spread the news and hopefully everyone will join the Viksit Bharat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.